On today's video, we're going to be making a special dessert called Gajar Ka Halwa, and this is my mum's recipe that I'm sharing with you. What we'll need first is 1 kg of carrots, grated them from scratch, and that's the best ones to get the richness and the flavour of the carrots because they're the most moist. To that, I'm going to add in 1 litre of milk. I'm then going to add 4 cardamoms, and what you want to do is open it slightly before you put it in. Sometimes it's difficult to open, so you might need some assistance with a knife. I'm then going to give this all a good mix and make sure the litre of milk is covering the carrots completely, and I'm going to put the lid on. And this process is going to take a while, so you want to leave it on for about 20 minutes with the lid on, and you want to give it a good mix in between. When the milk has halved, then you want to put in a handful of raisins. You can use any you like. And then I'm going to add 200 grams of sugar, 400 grams of evaporated milk, and 175 grams of butter. I usually just let the butter melt on its own, and to that I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of crushed almonds and pistachios. You want to continue mixing and then add in 2 tablespoons of flaked almonds. The trick here is you want to keep mixing it until it gets lower with milk. You can give it about 5 minutes between each mix until you get to this level, and that's where you want to keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't burn, and you want to continue to move it around so that you can make sure that all the water or the milk has gone from the carrots and milk, because you want to dry it out. To that I'm going to add 200 grams of Khoya and then give it a good mix. This is how I check that there's no more liquid left, and you want to keep doing it until you can see the carrots being dry when you spread it out like this. So I recommend doing it frequently until you reach a consistency where it's thicker and more in a bulk, and also not a lot of liquid left. And that's it. That is your Gajar Ka Halwa, and what you're going to do is garnish it with some more Khoya. You can honestly use as much or as little as you like, and that's it. So although it looks easy, it takes a lot of time and a lot of watching when you need to dry it out and checking the consistency. But apart from that, it does take you about an hour and a half, but in the end, it's worth it. So if you want to see more homemade recipes, then keep on watching and give me your suggestions below. This is the perfect low maintenance traditional recipe ready for any event.